Medina Company Compliance Dashboard Demo by Fabasoft.
Home screen from the Fabasoft Cloud, and the company compliance dashboard is implemented as a cloud app. So on this home screen, I can navigate to it, and you can see there's already some data pre-filled there. There are several possibilities what a user can do now. In this case, I am logged in as a compliance manager. And now I want to show you the metric implementation assignment process. And for that, I navigate to a test catalog. And there the compliance manager can see an overview about the metrics and requirements. And when now the compliance manager wants to assign a metric, he or she needs to select one and then can assign this metric to an echo. And now you can see a list of all possible echoes. In this case, only those two names are echoes. Then I select Kani. And when pressing next, this metric is assigned to Kani. And in the overview, the compliance manager can also see that this metric was assigned. Then I'm gonna log in as the echo Kani, which I already did. This is the home screen of the echo. She also needs to navigate to the company compliance dashboard and refresh. And then in the catalog, she can see that one metric has been assigned to her. When pressing on this metric, she has the possibility to either deny the metric assignment, then she would need to state the reason why she denies the metric assignment, or she can assign this metric further to an implementer. And I want to do that now. The only possible implementer for now is Priya. And then she can state a remark, for example, please implement this metric. And when I press assign metric, Priya gets, or the implementer gets a notification that he needs to implement this metric. And now I'm logged in as Priya, the implementer. And he can also see in his company compliance dashboard that this metric was assigned to him. And this is also visible in the home screen of the Fabasoft Cloud in a work list. And then he also has the possibility to deny the metric assignment, which would lead to that the metric is again at Kani, and then she needs to find another implementer. But now Priya needs to just implement this metric, for example, via a MOE or somehow different. And then when he did the metric implementation, he can also put a remark in here, for example, implemented metric via a MOE, and confirm the metric implementation. And as you can see, the work list now from Priya is empty because there were no other metrics which were assigned to Priya. And now the compliance manager gets a notification that this metric was assigned, and the compliance manager now needs to, this metric was implemented, sorry, and now the compliance manager needs to accept that. He or she sees a short overview about the metric and can also access the evidence. Since I didn't put one here, it's empty for the example. And the most important part is that now the compliance manager can see every activity that was done with this metric. For example, the compliance manager can see that Kani was assigned this metric and assigned it further to Priya, and he implemented it. And this all happened on a certain time and date, and yeah, you can see those activities here. And when the compliance manager then presses accept, the metric implementation has been finished. Yeah. Thank you